Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and most detailed reviews of the cars making an impact on the roads. Today, we're diving into the new 2025 Nissan Magnite, a compact SUV that continues to impress with its bold design, tech features, and performance. Let's explore why the Magnite deserves your attention. Design and styling. The 2025 Nissan Magnite stands out with its bold, modern design. The large grille and sharp LED headlights give it an aggressive front presence, while the sculpted sides and bold wheel arches enhance its muscular appeal. The compact SUV's sleek design makes it perfect for city streets, while the spacious interior and premium dashboard materials offer a refined cabin experience. The Magnite strikes the right balance between modernity and ruggedness, making it an attractive choice for urban dwellers. Performance and engine. The 2025 Magnite is powered by a 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine, producing 100 horsepower. This engine delivers a blend of power and efficiency, making it suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. Buyers can choose between a 5-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission, with the latter providing smoother gear shifts and better fuel efficiency. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or enjoying a highway drive, the Magnite provides a responsive and engaging driving experience. Features and technology. The 2025 Magnite comes with modern technology and features to enhance comfort and safety. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. It also includes features like automatic climate control, keyless entry, and a 360-degree camera for easy parking. Safety is prioritized with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors. Advanced driver assist features like lane departure warning and forward collision warning further enhance its safety credentials. Ride and handling. The ride quality of the Magnite is smooth, with a suspension system that absorbs bumps and rough surfaces well. The steering is responsive, making it easy to maneuver through tight city spaces, while the car remains stable at higher speeds for a comfortable highway experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Nissan Magnite is a stylish, efficient, and feature-packed compact SUV, offering great value for those seeking performance and practicality in an urban-friendly package. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and updates from Gear Grinders.